welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some must-haves for international travel. These are just a few little accessories that will make your travel convenient, and let's open the package. There are some accessories here that would be helpful if you have kids. Like, for instance, this one. I have had this skip hop bag for a long time for my girls, and I'm going to reuse it for my boys, but I lost the strap, so I got a dog leash for it, which actually works and it matches the strap. So yeah, something like this, a kid leash, like a toddler or a kid's leash, so your toddler won't stray in the airport. So that's the first one that I would suggest for you to bring if you have kids. Another item that has not arrived yet is a wrist leash that you can attach on your own wrist to your kids. I also got that one for the older kids, but this one is going to be for my 6-year-old. And then I have here, I got 2 of these. These are name tags. I'm not going to show you the front because it has my name and information in it, but this would be very helpful, especially, and it's aesthetically pleasing as well. And the plastic ones, these are engraved. So I got 2 of these, one for my backpack or carry-on, and one for my my bigger bag. So I got those. So here's the other one, and it comes with like a metal loop here to attach in your bag. So those are the tags that I have. And then I got here some carabiner clips. This will be handy if you want to bring some things to attach in your bag, like if you're carrying something from duty free, or you're buying some snacks in the airport. You can hang out the bag on your carry-on or in your backpack. So yeah, I got 2 of these, and I got the ones that are not just that doesn't just push in. You can lock this. So let me open this. As you can see, this type of carabiner clip is more secure because you can lock it and unlock it. See, as you can see here, there's the unlock part. Loosen it up and I can unlock it and just lock it up, and you can't move it if it's locked. So yeah, this would be helpful. Something I'm very excited about is this multiple passport holder. So if you're a family of 4 or more, this would come in handy instead of just getting the small one. Let's open it up. Comes in a nice sleeve, like a fabric sleeve, and it comes in this nice brown color because my backpack is brown, so I picked a brown. And it has this engraving of an airplane at the bottom, which is really nice. So let's check out the inside. So let's see. There's a hole in here. That's probably where the strap goes. Let me just zoom this out a little bit. And ta-da! So that's why it's kind of bulky. I was like, this is kind of thick. It's just like a foam. There's a foam here. And you got the strap, like I said. It's really nice. It was this metal right here. So you can put that strap over here. Strap was a little bit challenging to attach from using my crochet hook here to pull this out. Let's see. There you go. So my crochet hook. There's the strap. Just loop it in, and you got your handle right there. So here's your passport holder. The outside has a little compartment here, so if you're boarding your flight, you can put your tickets right here outside. And this is actually padded in the inside. There's a pad inside it. This is where the nice part is. You can put multiple passports here. There's plenty of compartments. You can put an ID over here. some cash, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the other side. Memory card slot is nice. So there's a memory card slot over here and over here. And let's see if there's, and then there's another compartment on the side where you can put your cash. Another one here, and then there's a pen holder over here. So this is really nice. So I just got everything out of the bag. So the next item are, these are just some like straps for your bag. It's like the carabiner clip, but just extra straps. So if you want to like, just pull that out like this. I got 2 of these. You can like strap them in your bag so you can carry extra things in your bag. There's a strap in here. So I got 2 of those in black. And I got here some makeup bags. It's not like you can put like your toiletries in the see-through bag. They're TSA rated, so you can use it for putting some snacks for your child, putting your makeup, putting your toiletries. Like I said, and it comes in a pack of 3. It's nothing fancy, it's just a regular see-through clear bag. And then the last item that we have here is compartment bags. It's a compartment set to like be more organized with packing my clothes for my my big bag, the one that I'm going to check in. Sorry. So I got this one in gray. As you can see, it has an attachment here. You can like put it together and then open it. The front is mesh. Comes with like this bag for your laundry. So if you have dirty clothes and stuff, you can put it in this waterproof bag. It's pretty big, and it has this you can cinch it on the side to close it. And you got a bag for like socks and underwear. Another bag that you can hang like on the door with your stuff in it. So, and then there's the first compartment bag. So yeah, they're flat, so they're easily, you can pack them easily. And then you got another see-through bag here that also folds. You can snap it. Another see-through bag, probably for like your jeans. And what's this? And this one has a strap on the inside. Another mesh bag, and your snaps as well. And then the last one is this big one, so you can put your jeans and bigger items here. So yeah, that's the compartment bag. So that is all the unboxing for today. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next unboxing. Bye bye.